guys, welcome back sa akong channel. Today, I will be discussing another case, and that is entitled Zulueta versus Court of Appeals. But before sharing with you the facts of the case, allow me to extend my gratitude sa mga ni-share and sa mga ni-appreciate sa ako ang previous video discussing Chiming Choi versus Court of Appeals. So today, I will discuss Zulueta versus Court of Appeals. The issue here is the privacy of communication and correspondence between spouses. So, allow me to share with you first the facts of the case. So let's start off with the parties in this case. Ang parties here is the wife, Cecilia, and the husband, Dr. Martin. What happened is this. Cecilia went into the clinic of Dr. Martin. By the way, Dr. Martin is a doctor of medicine. So na siya clinic. And then Cecilia, the wife, went to the clinic of Dr. Martin, and there, in the presence of the secretary, the driver of Dr. Martin, and the mother of Dr. Martin, forcibly opened the cabinets and the drawers of Dr. Martin. Okay? So, pag open na niya, she got hold of at least 157 documents, allegedly a correspondence between Dr. Martin and his mistress. So, nadito ang mga love letters nila, ang mga greeting cards, mga diaries. In fact, there were also canceled checks. So, when Cecilia obtained these documents, she used it as evidence for the cases that she filed against her husband, Dr. Martin. She actually filed legal separation and then I think revocation of Dr. Martin's license to practice medicine. So Dr. Martin, upon learning all these, filed a case for the retrieval of these documents and that it actually belonged to him. It is his exclusive property and it should be returned to him and should not be used in evidence against him. Si Cecilia on one hand would interpose nga she is entitled to those documents because she is the wife of Dr. Martin, and that Dr. Martin could not interpose the defense that he has a privacy of communication and correspondence because he is already the husband of Cecilia. So it went to the trial court, and then the trial court decided that indeed the documents obtained by Cecilia were actually owned exclusively by Dr. Martin. So this is the reason why Cecilia went to the Supreme Court and questioned the decision of the trial court and the Court of Appeals. So the issue here really is, can these documents seized by Cecilia in this case be made admissible without violating the right of Dr. Martin to privacy of communication and correspondence? So, giunsa ka ni pagdesider sa Supreme Court. Here's the decision of the Supreme Court. Niingon ng Supreme Court, guys, nga indeed the documents and the papers in question are inadmissible in evidence. The constitutional injunction declaring the privacy of communication and correspondence to be inviolable is no less applicable simply because it is the wife who thinks herself aggrieved by her husband's infidelity who is the party against whom the constitutional provision is to be enforced. The Supreme Court further said that the only exception to the prohibition in the Constitution is if there is a lawful order from a court or when public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Ningon ng Supreme Court nga any violation of this provision renders the evidence obtained inadmissible for any purpose and in any proceeding. Ang pinaka-favorite gud nako nga part nga giingon sa Supreme Court in this case kay kani. Ningon siya nga the intimacies between husband and wife do not justify any one of them in breaking the drawers and cabinets of the other and in ransacking them for any telltale evidence of marital infidelity. A person, by contracting marriage, does not shed his or her integrity or his right to privacy as an individual, and the constitutional protection is ever available to him or to her. In fact, the Supreme Court, as a conclusion, said that the law ensures absolute freedom of communication between the spouses by making it privileged. But one thing is freedom of communication, quite another is a compulsion for each one to share what one knows with the other. And this has nothing to do with the duty of fidelity that each owes to the other. So there you go, guys. Mauna siya ang case Zulueta versus Court of Appeals. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I received comments and messages from my students and from my friends telling me that I should do these cases or I should be discussing some of these cases. Don't worry, in my subsequent videos, I will be making those. Nangita lang ko og maayo nga mga kaso para ma-share diri sa ako ang channel. So to those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Darchi Wagas, and hit that notification button so that you will be notified kung na ako'y lain pang mga video or lain pang mga case digest shared in this channel. Thank you very much. I'm Ping.